Hey everyone! I'm super excited to announce that we're gearing up for our biggest trade show of the year, and that's WEFTEC 2024. This year you'll find us in booth 3753, and we're bringing along with us our latest products and our amazing new technologies. You're also going to find demonstrations, live demonstrations with our new products, so you can see, you can witness how these products are going to help you in your chemical feed and fluid measurement applications. You don't want to miss this. And you get a chance to learn from our team of experts. So go ahead and mark your calendars and visit us at booth 3753 in New Orleans between October 7th through the 9th. This is going to be an unbelievable event. Whether you're an existing customer or new to Blue White, I'm sure we have a solution just for you. So come by, meet with our team of experts, and discuss chemical feed and fluid measurement. And I'll see you there.